Hello, everyone. I'm James.
And I'm Alice.
Welcome back to Easy English for You.
Before we start, James, I have good news.
What is it, Alice?
A new member joined our channel. The name is Zibi Markovich.
Thank you so much, Zibi Markovich. Your support means a lot to us.
Now, James, I have a question. Why do so many people give up on English?
That's a great question, Alice. One small word breaks their heart.
One small word?
Yes, that word is as.
Wait, really? I read a book about as. The book said as has 5 meanings. I got scared. I closed the book.
I understand, Alice. Many learners feel the same way. But today, everything changes.
How?
I will show you one picture. After that, as becomes easy.
One picture? I need that picture, James.
You will learn 5 patterns, but you will only need one idea.
One idea for 5 patterns? I am very curious now.
Good. Let's start with the big idea. As is not 5 different words. As is one simple picture. The picture is this. 2 things move together.
2 things move together?
Yes. Think of 2 friends. They walk side by side. They always stay together. As always connects 2 things like that.
Okay, I think I understand. But show me an example, please.
Sure. Let's learn the top 5 uses of as. Number 1. As shows a role. Listen to this sentence. He works as a pilot.
He works as a pilot.
Here, he and pilot move together. He and his job stay together.
I see. So a person and a job can be together.
Exactly. Number 2. As shows equal things. Listen to this. This soup is as hot as the sun.
Wow, that's really hot.
It's just an example. Here, hot and the sun are equal. 2 things stand at the same level.
Same level, same size. I understand this one.
Perfect. Number 3. As shows a way to do something. Listen to this. Cook the rice as the recipe says.
Cook the rice as the recipe says.
Here, your action and the words move together. You follow the same path.
My action follows the words.
Yes, exactly. Number 4. As shows a reason. Listen to this. As I was tired, I went to bed.
Wait, James, this one feels different. Tired and bed are not the same. I am confused now.
That's a good question, Alice. Let me explain it in a very simple way. Think of 2 balls. One ball moves first. The other ball moves right after. One thing makes the other thing happen. I was tired. Then I went to bed. The 2 things still move together.
Oh, so one thing pushes the other thing.
Yes, you got it. 2 things still connect, but this time one thing causes the other.
Now I understand, James. Please continue.
Great. Number 5. As gives an example. Listen to this. I like sports, such as running and swimming.
I like sports, such as running and swimming.
Here, sports and running connect too. One is the big group. The other is a member inside the group.
Big group and small member. They stay together too.
Exactly, Alice.
Wait, James. I think I am lost again. Is as one thing? or 5 things.
Good. That means you are learning. Every English learner feels this. Let's test your brain together. I call it the AS test.
The AS test? Sounds scary.
Don't worry. Listen to 4 sentences. Tell me which one is different. He works as a pilot. My bag is as heavy as yours. Cook the rice as the recipe says. As I was tired, I went to bed.
Let me think. They all look very different to me.
Look again, Alice. What do all 4 sentences have in common?
Wait, they all have 2 things, and the 2 things always stay close.
Yes, they all connect 2 things. No sentence is really different.
Oh my goodness. So English is not about 5 words. It is about 1 picture. James, nobody ever told me this before. I always thought I was just bad at English.
You are not bad at English, Alice. You just never saw the picture. Now you see it.
That means so much to me.
Now, let me give you a real tool. I call it the finger method.
The finger method? How does it work?
Put up 2 fingers. One finger is thing A. The other finger is thing B. A role, a size, a way, a reason, an example. If A and B connect like that, use as.
Wait, this sounds too easy. Can it really work every time?
Let's test it right now. Finger 1, me. Finger 2, gardener. A role connects them. I work as a gardener.
Finger 1, tired. Finger 2, bed. A reason connects them. As I was tired, I went to bed.
Perfect, Alice. You just built the sentence yourself.
I did it. This method really works.
Now, let me tell you a real story. There's a tour guide in Vietnam. His name is Min. He's 47 years old. He studied English for 20 years.
20 years? That's a long time.
Yes, but he was always afraid of as. He saw 5 different rules in his textbook. His brain felt tired every time.
I know that feeling very well.
Then last year, he learned the finger method. He stopped thinking about 5 rules. He started thinking about 1 picture. Now he says this sentence with a smile. I work as a tour guide.
Wow, for 20 years he saw grammar rules.
And one day, he finally saw a picture.
That's such a powerful change.
Let's compare the before and after, Alice. Before, as has 5 confusing rules. After, as simply connects 2 things.
Before, my brain says no. After, my brain says yes.
Beautifully said, Alice. Now, can you review today's lesson for us?
Yes, I can try. As is not 5 different words. As is 1 picture. 2 things always stay together. It can be a role, like a job. It can be equal things, like size. It can be a way to act. It can be a reason. It can be an example inside a group. And the finger method helps me build any sentence.
That was an excellent review, Alice. You didn't miss a single point.
Thank you, James. I actually understand as now.
I'm very proud of you. And I'm proud of everyone watching, too.
James, one more thing. Our members get today's lesson as a PDF, and it comes in their own language.
That's right, Alice.
This PDF helps me so much. I read it in my language after class. It makes everything stay in my memory.
If you want that PDF, join our membership today. Now, before we finish, here's a small game. Write 1 sentence with as in the comments. Use the finger method to build it.
I can't wait to read your sentences.
If today's lesson changed the way you see English, please subscribe and tell us where you're watching from.
I really want to know how many countries are here.
Next time, we will learn about a new word. That word is if.
Only one meaning again?
Yes, if is also just one simple idea, and many people never see it.
Now I really want to come back for that one.
Please subscribe and hit the like button. It helps our channel grow every day.
Thank you for watching today.
Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.